Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Secar News. Tonight we are going to be talking about the most important things that have happened in the university. Okay, let's go. Lack of talent. More than 100 students of different professions participated in the auditions program by the Cultural Coordination of Institutional Warfare. Gustavo Tense Bolaños, cultural coordinator of the corporation, said that every time these calls have been made, the enormous potential of the students to sing and play instruments and do theater has been demonstrated. Okay, on the other hand, Secar celebrated 31 years. Today, 31 years later, we can say that the objective of those people who desire to found the university has been fulfilled in large part because Secar had supported the historic process with its ideas. These were some sections of the speech read by the adherent member of the corporation, Lilia Flores de Alves, during the celebration of the 31 years of academic life of SECAR. Okay, congratulations to SECAR for its 31 years. Okay, the women of SECAR enjoyed their day. The Office of Human Development of Institutional Warfare granted recognition to a group of leaders who work in the corporation, giving them a bouquet of flowers and a diploma that declared them Woman of SECAR. This was a happy and fun time for the attendees who in the end enjoyed a simple exchange. Okay, congratulations to this great woman. In other news, Coffee with Jesus every Friday at SECAR. In this age where the loss of values has been felt almost daily in college, universities, and even within families, the Institutional Warfare Directory and the Ministry 15 Minutes with Jesus have made available to the youth of Coffee SECAR Jesus. In this space, the young will be able to talk about specific topics such as drugs, sexuality, pornography, the family, and the role of each person in society. Congratulations to SECAR for this. Okay, this is all. These were the most important news of SECAR. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Happy evening. Bye bye. Thank you.